if you don't have consent in place, there's no way you're going to optimize it. So first off, invest in consent capture and locating where consent can be captured and hosting it in a centralized repository. And then at the same time, start activating your CDPs while also thinking of your optimization strategies. And what that will do for you is it's going to truly unlock your data's value. You'll start seeing a very interesting picture painted of your end user by them as they give you more consent across the offerings that you have. And you can use that information to say, retarget these end users. So say there was a form, they filled that consent out, we have that information centralized. If you want to import or export it out, or you want to have a real-time engagement, you can now pass it along to your retargeting platform and use that consent value that the users provided to now deliver ads based on the permission the user offered. And a lot of these similar engagements and activations can be seen in real time. Offers being delivered, customer service engagements, content delivered through AdWords, or even making customized recommendation that, hey, we saw you were looking at three of these different products. The users also buy these with that. And being able to do that, your quality of those recommendations improve if it's tied to the first-party data offered by the end user, which again gets tied to the trust that they have, because if they don't trust you, they won't offer that. And they truly trust you if you are operating based on the consent they provided. So over time, you're going to build this progressive profile of the end user. Maybe they just showed up on the website. They gave you opt-in for targeting, and you just kind of know, okay, this is a person who cares about personalization. Well, then they subscribe to email notifications through a web form, and now you know them, but it's limited to email subscriptions. And then maybe you send them a preference center and they can see a few different other consent options that you have to offer. And they now not only just sign up for email, but also tell you the products they're interested in and the channel or the frequency of the communications. So what you do is truly build that one holistic consent profile to know how this user operates. The compliance team is happy because you have your due diligence and audit trails in one place. But at the same time, this information that you just gathered can now be activated across those systems, like I mentioned. So if you want to real-time integrate into Adobe Experience Platform or other CDPs, you can do that